Flat 2, often referred to as the Neapolitan, is a chromatic predominant harmony built on the lowered second scale degree. It's used primarily in the minor mode and appears most often in first inversion as a substitute for 2 diminished 6. Depending on the key, the lowered second scale degree appears either as a natural, as in the key of E minor, or as a flat, as in the key of C minor. This progression illustrates the standard voice leading of 2 diminished 6 and then of the Neapolitan chord as a replacement for 2 diminished 6. In general, composers double the third of flat 2 because it's the only note that doesn't pull strongly in a particular direction. Notice how both flat 2 and flat 6 pull downward. The Neapolitan's unique sound comes from its quality as a major chord, as well as the unusual interval of a diminished third that obtains between flat 2 and the leading tone. Composers who wish to smooth over this dissonance may use a passing tone. Composers may also harmonize this passing tone with an intervening cadential 6/4, or a secondary dominant.